for the new guys, I'm going to show you some stuff. So I have some accounts that are, I would classify them as scientific. So I'm not going to say where it's at or who it's at, but I want you guys to know things. When you go into rooms, you'll see warning labels on containers and stuff, but you go in the rooms and buildings. This is a warehouse setup with some walk-in boxes, and they bring me the coolers in here to repair for NorCal refrigeration. What you want to do is you always want to look before you walk into a room or anything, see what labels are on that room, and you guys have to read these. So, for instance, this freezer right here, they want me to repair it. And these stickers are on here to tell you things. So health, number 3. Health hazard, extremely dangerous, 3. Flammability, 2. Flash point below 200 degrees. That's what they were storing inside of here. Reactivity, shock and heat may detonate. So that wasn't radioactive, that was just reactivity. Personal protection, X. So what they were storing in here, was hazardous. Before you work on something like this, you have to make sure it's been cleaned and sanitized. And that's for your health. Always read the labels are on there. You can always refuse working on something till you know by the facility you're working on it's been cleaned and sanitized. This one over here, let's see what we got on this one. Same thing. Wear this type of protective clothing. This even put a gloves, lab coat, eye protection. That's when it had product inside of it. The product they kept in here was not cool for you to be working on it. Now these have all been sanitized and cleaned so I can work on them. And I know that because I checked with my contact that has me out here to work on these. And that's just a heads up for you, for the new guys. If you ever work in laboratories or scientific environments, always read the labels first, not only on the fridge, but on the door before you work on that lab. You'll see signs like this. I'm not kidding you. Your PPE, your personal protective equipment, is important. Like it said on the one, lab coat, goggles. I always say goggles for eye protection. That's because I'm goofy. Gloves, man, the gloves are so important. And you got to make sure you have the right gloves. Okay? And that's just a public service announcement from NorCal. I know Russ from H.V.A.C said he was going to send me the vacuum pump to demo out, and look at that. Bam! The HCFM H.V.A.C VP85. All right, stay tuned. NorCal is going to put that to the test. And we'll do a review on it and try it out, see how it goes. H.V.A.C in the his. Oh, yeah, look at the size of those pumpkins. They grow right here in Santa Cruz.